Hi, this is Shriya from Sagar Business Academy, and this is the second task of Mentorness intern, and my topic is coronavirus analysis. Coronavirus analysis pandemic has had a significant impact on public health and has created an urgent need for data-driven insights to understand the spread of the virus. As a data analyst, you have been tasked with analyzing a coronavirus dataset to derive a meaningful insights and present your findings. And this is the overview on coronavirus analysis. Dataset description of each column in a dataset: province, country or region, latitude, longitude, date, confirmed, deaths, and recovered. And this is the coronavirus analysis database on which we are going to answer some of the questions. Here have a look. Tool used for analysis: Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It is an integrated environment for managing any SQL infrastructure. We use this to access, to configure, to manage, to administer, and to develop all components of the SQL Server and Azure SQL database, Azure SQL Server on Azure VM. So, SSMS is a tool used for the analysis. Have a look. And here is a coronavirus analysis dashboard where I have represented using a different visualizations. We can see some of confirmed by year, some of deaths, and first country or a region. And here are some of the key questions that I am going to answer in the further presentation. First query: write a code to check the null values. Here is the code that I have written, and the output that I have got is there are no null values in the given data set. Second query: if the null values are present, update them to zeros for all columns, and the output is there are no null values in the given data set. Third query is check total number of rows, and the total number of rows 78,386. Fourth query is check what is the start date and the end date. Start date is 22nd 1 2020 and the end date is 13th 6 2021. So here it is a code and the output. And the fifth query is number of month present in the data set. So there are totally 12 months present in the data set. And sixth query: find monthly average for confirmed deaths and recovered. So in 2020 Jan month there are 4 confirmed, there are 0 death and 0 recovered, and so on. For every month we can see the output that I have got here in Feb, March, April, and so on till December. And seventh query: find the most frequent value for the confirmed deaths recovered each month. And here is the code for that. And this is the output for the seventh one. Here we can see year, month, confirmed deaths, and also the recovered also. And eighth query is find the minimum values for confirmed deaths recovered per month. So in 2020 there are 0 confirmed, 0 death, and 0 recovered, and so on for 2021. And ninth query is find maximum values of confirmed deaths recovered per year. So in 2020 9,996 and 996 death and 999 recovered. So in 2021 also, so on we can see the output. And the 10th query is the total number of cases of confirmed deaths recovered each month. And here is the output that I have got and the code that I have written for this. Have a look. And the 11th query: check how coronavirus spread out with respect to confirmed case. For example, total confirmed cases and their averages, their variance, and STDEV. And here we can see the output. 11th query, check how coronavirus spread out with respect to death case per month. And here is the output that I have got for every year and every month. Have a look of the code and the output. 13th query, check how coronavirus spread out with respect to recovered cases. So here is the code and the output. And the 14th query, find country having highest number of confirmed cases. So first we are having Israel, Netherlands, Indonesia, Iran, Ireland, and so on, many countries. 15th, find the country having lowest number of death cases. The first is Finland, Gambia, West Bank and Gaza, New Zealand, Uganda, and Brazil, Italy, and so on. And 16, find the top 5 countries having highest recovered cases. The first is India, next Brazil, US, Turkey, Russia. These are the 5 top highest countries recovered cases. And thank you for the Mentorness for giving this opportunity to present the data analysis on coronavirus topic. Thank you.